today we are unboxing a Play-Doh. So I don't know to unbox this because I need a scissors. Okay guys, so I got these. Look at it. No. There we go. And yeah, subscribe on my channel. Oh my gosh. I love this. This is my favorite. This is the nearby. Oh. So here it is. I got the blue Play-Doh. I wanted these and I have it now. Oh my gosh. This is my apartment. Literally from my apartment, but oh my gosh, white, red, yellow, blue. Okay, let's oh, oh my gosh, I'm having fun with it. This is so cool. I just want to have it, then I have it. This is my wish. My wish come true. Oh, I'm so lucky, girl. Because it's our Christmas party. Now our last day. Come on, get out. Get out, Blue, get out. I said get out. Oh, look at these. I love how it feels. Oh, it's like a sand. Is this a sand or a clay? Comment down below if you know. Because the clay is looking like a sand with a color. But it's coming in our nails. Hurry! This is a dangerous Play-Doh ever. It's not dangerous, just a Play-Doh. So you can have fun with it. And you can roll it and roll it and roll it. And you can make all of the ones. So yeah. So I got this and I got more here. But, oh, this is so satisfying. It looks like a sand, see? It's like a sand. Take off these. Take off all of them. Boop, 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 boop. I'm just going to take off this. So, oh my gosh, I don't know what happened to my dream come true. Because this is my dream. This is my dream. My dream come true. Oh, it's so satisfying. Got more here. Like I'm just vlogging whole time ago. Like, So let's put it back. And this red color. Okay, be careful. Oh. Whoa, this time I got big. Whoa, so satisfying. I don't know why, but it's so satisfying. Oh, what about, I have an idea. This here and this Play-Doh. Play-Doh. Ooh, I have so much fun with these. Hi guys, welcome to Satisfying Video. Today we had a color clay. Don't satisfy. If you say wow, you lose a life. But I don't have any of, edits. I have a
lahat, titigas yan.
So,
Huwag mo buksan lahat, ibalik mo yan, titigas yan anak. Ano na yung cellphone?
bye guys.